How to build a faceless YouTube channel with AI automation, the highest view, the highest subscriber, and quickly monetize the object. And all these things will be done for you in less than 1 month, and you will reach monetization. Many creators are turning to AI automation tools to produce engaging content without ever showing their faces. This method is ideal for those who prefer to remain anonymous while earning a substantial income through YouTube automation. Why choose a faceless YouTube channel? Starting a faceless YouTube channel has several benefits. Anonymity. Stay behind the scenes while your content speaks for itself. Scalability. With AI tools, you can create content faster and more efficiently. And all these things will be done for you in less than 1 month, and you will reach monetization. Cost-effective. Save time and money by automating tasks like video creation, editing, and voiceovers. Wide reach. Tap into popular niches like making money online, AI-generated videos, and YouTube automation strategies. Using AI automation to create content. AI tools have revolutionized how content is created. From text-to-video generators to text-to-speech tools, the options are vast. Here's how to automate your YouTube channel. AI video generators. Platforms like Pictory, Lumen 5, or InVideo can automatically turn your script into a video. These tools use AI to match relevant visuals and music, making the video creation process seamless. Text-to-speech tools. If you don't want to narrate your videos, AI-driven text-to-speech software like Google Text-to-Speech, Amazon Poly, or Speechalo can generate human-like voices for your content.
Test my voice on longer content such as news articles, training materials, or marketing videos.
AI script writing. Tools like ChatGPT or Jasper AI can help you generate engaging scripts for your videos, tailored to your niche. AI thumbnail creation. Even thumbnails can be automated using AI. Platforms like Canva Pro use machine learning to suggest layouts and designs that attract clicks. This channel is completely made with AI, and I'm going to teach you how to do it for free. Finding the best niches for a faceless YouTube channel. Finance and making money online. Channels offering tips on how to make money online through various strategies like affiliate marketing, YouTube automation, and Google Ads are in high demand. Technology and AI. Videos explaining AI tools, AI video generators, and how to use automation to build a passive income stream are gaining traction. Product reviews. Use affiliate marketing to review products and services, directing traffic to purchase links. Top 10 lists and tutorials. Simple AI-generated video formats like top 10 lists or how-to tutorials are easy to create and widely popular. Automating income streams. One of the biggest benefits of a faceless channel is the ability to automate income. Affiliate marketing. Promote products in your videos and earn commissions through platforms like Amazon Associates or ClickBank. Google Ads. Monetize your videos by enabling ads and let YouTube's ad automation do the work. Sponsorships. As your channel grows, brands will approach you for sponsored content. Memberships and courses. Once you establish authority in your niche, you can create paid content, offering additional value to your audience. Optimizing your faceless YouTube channel for SEO or your channel to thrive, SEO optimization is key. Here are the best practices. Keyword-rich titles. Use keywords like faceless YouTube channel, AI video automation, and how to make money online in your video titles. Compelling descriptions. Write detailed descriptions for each video, incorporating keywords that will help YouTube algorithms recommend your content. Tags and hashtags. Use tags such as YouTube automation, AI content creation, and passive income to increase visibility. Tools for managing your faceless channel. Managing a YouTube channel can be overwhelming, but automation makes it easier. Here are some tools to streamline the process. TubeBuddy helps with SEO, keyword optimization, and managing multiple channels. VidAQ offers in-depth analytics to track performance and improve your SEO. Canva, useful for creating professional thumbnails and channel art. Conclusion: why AI-powered faceless channels are the future. The rise of AI automation has opened up new opportunities for content creators. A faceless YouTube channel allows you to build a brand, reach a large audience, and generate passive income, all while remaining anonymous. By using AI tools like video generators, text-to-speech software, and script writing bots, you can produce high-quality content quickly and efficiently.